So I'm going to ask the spectator to take any card out that they like. Let's say they take this one. That's your card. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this card lost in the deck. Give it a few cuts. Shuffle. So now your card is lost in the deck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it something I like to call a messy shuffle. Like so. Take cards, turn them over, and just keep doing that. So now the cards are completely messed up. So I can show you that we have some cards that are back to face. We have some cards that are face to back. And maybe somewhere we'll find some cards, there you go, that are back to back. If I snap my fingers, all the cards go back to their original form, apart from one, which I believe to be your card. So that is the trick. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you are interested in learning how to do it, then please stick around and I will show you. Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing very well and you enjoyed that trick. So let's waste no time and show you how it's done. So, they pick a random card out, and it can be completely random. Let's say they take the 7 of diamonds. Now what you want to do is control this card to the bottom of the deck. There are multiple ways of doing this. How I like to do it is cut the cards, place the card in the cut, and now apply a bit of downwards pressure to the card to make a break, okay? Now you can hold that break, give the cards a few cuts, and you have controlled their card to the top. Now, if you see what I did in the performance, I took one off the top and one off the bottom, so that means their card is now second from bottom, and then I did this, meaning their card is now on the bottom. Okay, that's just one way of controlling a card to the bottom. There are many ways of doing that. You can get creative, honestly, it does not matter at all. So from here, what you want to do is you want to have a bit of bend in the cards, okay? Because that's going to be very important. Now what you want to do is tell the spectator you're going to do a messy shuffle. And this is all you do. Just keep turning the cards over like this. And then on the very last card, you want to take their selected card, okay? You want to take that and you want to put it on its own on top, okay? Now look, you can see there is a gap in the deck because of how you bent the cards earlier. Now you want to tell the spectator that there are some cards that are back to face, some cards that are face to back, and some cards that are back to back. So you go above the gap, back to face, go underneath, face to back, and then only on that gap will be back to back cards, okay? And that's how you're going to convince them that the cards are completely messed up. Now, when you take these away and you tell the spectator that some cards are back to back, you're going to put them back like that. You took them apart like that and you put them back like that, okay? Like that, you've just changed the order of the cards. And their card will be the only one that is turned over. So I hope you guys enjoyed that trick. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. As always, keep practicing and I'll see you guys on my next video.